So, who here does or doesn't know what a dark pool is? No? Okay, one no, that's enough to continue. If, let's say, you are a billionaire, so you are a Billy Big Balls or Bertha Big Boobs billionaire, and you've got a lot of money, let's say billions, and you want to go and you want to buy a stock. I know, let's just call it Apple stock, for example. What do? I mean, this could be a bank, a hedge fund, it could be a country even. So they want that desire, and they go to their broker, and their broker will probably be Goldman Sachs, Goldman, JP Morgan, any of the big ones, the four primary lenders mainly. Now, what they can't do is to go, oh, I want to buy $10 billion of Apple and go in at market, because by the time they've just dipped their toe in, Apple price will do this. And
this is what Buffett did, isn't it?
Sorry?
This is what Buffett did with Apple.
This is who did what?
Warren Buffett guy.
Oh yeah, I mean he does it with everything, and anyone with a size will always operate in a dark pool, and also they do that for obscurity, because investors don't want their competitors to know what they're getting in. So this Billy Big Balls billionaire, whatever, they want to get in Apple without all of their competitors front running them, right? So they'll tell Goldman, hey, I want you to buy $10 billion worth of Apple over a certain time period and over a certain price, and you need to shut your mouth, don't tell anyone. And so what happens is Goldman will go, no worries, we have a dark pool. And all of these trades will happen inside here. So it's like an off-the-book transaction order book, where Goldman will quietly allocate loads of Apple to Billy Big Balls, etc. And yeah, and by the way, these dark pools, it won't, Goldman will have its own dark pool. You'll also have dark pools which lots of other banks will all have access into. So you have like a collaborative dark pool, if that makes sense. And it's only when the billionaire or the buyer wants to be made public that they go, oh yeah, I've been accumulating 10 billion, blah blah blah. Now, if you read the book Flash Boys, is it Flash Boys? Yeah, it's a good book. It's quite old now, but they're saying that how high frequency traders, I mean, they were paying stupid amounts of money to basically get an API feed into these dark pools, which is just, it's just fascinating. So they could effectively, legally front run, all the big hedge funds trying to accumulate size. Now, this happens with stocks. Surely, I mean, it just makes common sense that there is, or there will be, multiple dark pools for Bitcoin now that the spot Bitcoin ETFs are happening. So there's going to be a lot of over-the-counter trading going on with Bitcoin. Now, they say $150 billion are going to be flowing in from institutions over the next 3 years. One, I think that's an underestimated amount of money. And two, I think BlackRock's probably already got a lot of it already. It's not like they're going to start buying it as soon as they're allowed.